So here's the next project. So basically now I have to build a firewood storage shed, you might as well say. So basically she found a picture on the internet that she liked, and basically it's just a triangle like this, right? All your wood all stacked up in there. And basically it's going to have like wood cedar shingles, right? So they'll go like overlap, right, all the way around. So she wants 2 of these. Plus you kind of want to raise it off the ground as well, so something like that. Right, so these boards are 5 feet long, which converts over to 60 inches. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this piece of board into 3 pieces, so 20 inches each. Alright, now I'm going to take these studs and cut them down to 6 feet each. So now I've taken my cutoffs from my 6 foot length studs, which were originally 8 feet. I've took them and I've cut them down to 17 inches to fit inside the frame. Frame built. Now I'm just going to shingle these panels up the board, right? Something like that, so overlap, and just nail them in. So we shingled pretty much up all the way. So basically what you want to do is you want to put your nails up by the top, and the next shingle will just go just over the nail. And if you do the nails about the same far distance apart, you just kind of lift it up, lift it down. You'll get better as you go. Kind of eyeball it. Alright, so this is with them stacked, piled up like a teepee, and I had a skid left over that I cut in half and put at the bottom so all the wood was off the ground. Tacked it all together. A little bit of extra wood over here. Should be lots of wood for them. Probably last them at least 2 years, I would say. Because they said they only have a fire about maybe once a week, maybe a few times a week. So I still got the tree stump over here. The swing set is pretty much done. Got the gravel in there, the border, all built. And next week I'm gonna work on the movie theater setup, and then we got some fence over here that she picked up for free, so I'm gonna put some new posts in and then put that fence all along the back.